So the basics of packaging design, again, grounded in graphic design. Just imagine going to the supermarket and you see two different sodas, or even going into the wine store and you see two different, or the package store or the liquor store, and you see two different types of wine and one label looks better than the other. What made you pick it up? This is what a lot of designers think about in terms of packaging design, and what's going to make the consumer see that this is different, like that they want to pick it up, what's going to best express what's actually being packaged. It has a lot to do with not only knowing, again, the dimensions of your product, but also knowing your target audience, where the shelf space is going to be, to know how to design for that, if it's going to take up too much time, like too much shelf space, which is actually very costly for the company. There's a lot of different variables and factors that go into packaging design. One of the best sites that I pull from is the dieline.com, and what they do, and they've been out for about maybe 4 or 5 years now, is they round up the best packaging design like all over the world, from like big corporations all the way down to like even student competition. So I went to Creative Circus, and there was a lot of people from my school whose package designs got featured on the site. Package design is definitely, like, if it's something that you want to be in, you have to know materials, you have to know the different ways of manufacturing, you have to know like the color process, CMYK, being able to know the Pantone like colors, and knowing like how to make sure that your product is actually printed the right way. So packaging design is actually a beast of itself, like one of those things that if you want to do it, you should focus like solely on that. But there's so many good resources out there, and so many different communities like to get excited about.